Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an M&T Bank customer and need to transfer money to another bank in 2025, you're in the right spot. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it quick and secure. Whether you're paying a friend, settling bills, or moving funds for investments, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have the M&T Bank app installed on your phone or access to their website. Log in using your username and password. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Move Money section, which is usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, select the option for External Transfer or Transfer to another bank. If this is your first time, you'll need to add the recipient's bank details. Enter the routing number and account number carefully. Double-check to avoid any delays or errors. M&T might verify this through a small test deposit, so keep an eye on your account. Now, specify the amount you want to transfer. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including any potential fees. Remember, external transfers might cost a few dollars depending on your account type. Add a memo if needed, like rent payment, and review everything one last time. Hit the Confirm button, and if required, complete the security verification, such as entering a code sent to your phone. That's it, the transfer is initiated. Funds typically arrive in 1 to 3 business days, but check M&T's app for real-time status updates. A quick tip: always use a secure Wi-Fi connection and never share your login details. If you run into issues, contact M&T's customer support. They're available 24/7 in 2025. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next video.